In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dodge and burn in Photoshop, specifically for landscape photography. Dodging and burning is a classic technique that can really bring your photos to life by enhancing contrast and detail. So let's dive in and explore how you can make your landscapes pop with these steps. First things first, let's launch Adobe Photoshop. Make sure you have it installed and updated to the latest version for best results. Once you've opened Photoshop, the first thing you'll do is add your image. Simply go to File, select Open, and choose the photo you want to work on. This is crucial as starting with a high quality image will give you the best results in terms of detail and clarity. Now that you have your image open in Photoshop, the next step is to make a copy of your background layer. This is a protective measure, ensuring that your original image remains untouched and you have the flexibility to go back and start over if necessary. You can do this by selecting the background layer, right-clicking, and choosing duplicate layer. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut command plus J on Mac or Control plus J on Windows. Once you have the duplicate layer, it's time to select the brush tool. You can find this in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. The brush tool will be our primary instrument for this tutorial. With the brush tool selected, head to the top of the screen where you'll see a drop-down menu titled Mode. Click on this and choose Color Burn. Color Burn mode will enhance the dark tones in your image and bring out details that are often overlooked. Make sure your brush settings, such as size and hardness, suit the particular areas you're editing. Generally, starting with a softer brush size works well for these adjustments. Now gently brush over the areas where you'd like to enhance that dramatic look. Think of areas that would naturally have more shadow or contrast in a landscape, like around clouds, mountains, or trees. The key is subtlety. It's easy to overdo it, so apply it bit by bit and zoom in to ensure you're not creating hard, unnatural edges. Finally, once you're satisfied with the way it looks, zoom out to get a full view of your work. Feel free to adjust the opacity of your color burn layer if you need to dial back the effect. This can help in blending the enhancements more naturally with the rest of your image. Look for balance and make sure that your changes have actually enhanced the image rather than drawing attention away from it. And that's it. You've just learned how to apply dodging and burning techniques in Photoshop to make your landscape photography stand out. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different landscapes and settings to find your own style. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.